Hello and welcome again, guys. That one I got the intro right. So this video will be a continuation, or it's like the second part of the second part, of the part of our video we did previously, which is about making our base class for our entities and making an object player class, and then demoing it by displaying a simple red box, as you can see here. But when I rewatched the video, I realized that I didn't explain anything that much, so sorry for that. And hopefully this time I explain everything. This is going to be short. Okay, so first of all, and as you can see, I already got my mouse included in the video and the screen key, so you can see what I'm typing. First of all, let's go to our base class right here. So the reason why there is so many local table uh, that we initialized every time we use this extend or derive function in our class, and then we return it is because, for example, here. Okay, so for example, here in our local player class extend, this is similar to require. If we require this module, this will return this one. This will return this one, the class that we created locally. That means it's an instant. We can create many local class, then return that class, and then that class will be attached to this other local class value. So the same goes for player. We need to be able to return something or return a value, and this is where the local t and the return t comes in. So we're not only making or initializing and returning a table, we also add meta methods and meta table here. As you can see, we attach the name to that and then the call. So when we use this, when we call our player class, it actually calls this class call, and then the index also, and then the set meta table, and then the class call will take this ellipsis or var arg, and then give that to the t new, which is if we need this empty function, because let's say we made a class without this player new, that will throw us an error, because this function will look for that specific new function, but that cannot be found. So this will as a backup, that will look here. So this is empty, so it will not do anything. Okay, so I think I've pretty much explained the class. So here as I've said before, if I remember right, my term for the self is a kind of like a syntax or a magic variable, but not really magic, or I don't know. It's a syntax, of course. Self is a like an alternative variable that reference the first argument we passed. So you can see, if we use this method, if we use the dot operator instead of the colon operator, we need to pass first the table that is this one. So self is actually a table, and the table here in this case is actually, it is player variable. So here player, we use this syntactic sugar, So instead of you doing this method, we lessen the code like here. So that is uh, that is that is for instantiation instantiation, I can pronounce that right, or making instance or duplicates of the object. Okay, so basically that's it. If you have more questions, just post it in the comment section below and I will try to explain it more. If you didn't understand it well, there are a lot of other sources where you can read, or where they explain it better than what I said. So thank you guys again, and be sure to check out the next part. Have a lovely day. See ya.